Welcome back to another vlog. Hi everyone, so I just came back from P&A. I just want to show you what I got in case you're interested. I'm trying to get back into like drawing, but I definitely want to better my lettering. So I just want to show you some of the stuff that I have that I plan on working with. So I got this visual diary. It's an A3 size, so this is an A4 and it takes like 2 A4s, so that's A3. But yeah, it's a big hardcover book. It has white paper. This book I got a while ago. It's a black paper book, and this one was 101 rand. This big one was 229. And then I got these pens to write in this black book with. First three are these Artline ones. These, a silver, a copper, and a gold. They're like markers. And I got a white gel pen, a white Pilot pen because I really like Pilot pens, and a white marker, also Pilot. So yeah, I'm just gonna use these and see what happens. This one I thought would be great for like writing notes. My sister has the exact same one and she does like her study notes in there, and since it's such a big paper, she gets a lot of notes on one page, so that's what that one was mainly for. It's pretty late in the day. It's 5 o'clock. I just finished writing my assessment. I was writing a test for school. Now that that's over, I have some exciting things. We need to bake. That's a must. Also, I want to try out this strawberry drink. I bought some stuff. And then I'm going to go downstairs and eat now. I haven't had anything since like, I think it was 12:30. So I'm super hungry, but I didn't want to move from my setup so I could write the test. But now that we're done, I'm gonna go make something really quick to eat. I think I'm gonna put like a pizza in the oven or something. But because I'm vlogging, I'll bring you with me. We're gonna make one of these. I don't like these as much as I like these. These are my favorite. Out of all the varieties of these pizzas, these are my favorite. Exactly. Close. So we read the instructions on the box. We preheat. No, we don't preheat. We put the oven on 220. And we bake 220 for 11 to 13 minutes. No. Then we get some grease-proof or parchment paper or baking paper, whatever you have. Oh, that's what I'm making the strawberry drink with, but it's gonna be like dalgona style. You'll see. I have to bake one of these boxes soon, next week. You get your pan. It's a round pizza, so the big pan. In the oven for what? 10 to 13 you know what, in the oven till it's all melted and cooked. Like maybe 13 minutes, I can't remember. Hi, so we're making a whipped strawberry drink. I saw it on TikTok, so yeah, that happened. But you just need 3 ingredients. It's cream, Nesquik strawberry flavor, and milk and ice. But you can obviously make this a chocolate flavored drink too. Let's start. Okay, so I'm gonna use my cup. If you're fancy, you can use like a wine glass like the girl in the video, but I'm just gonna use this cup. I'm gonna fill it up with ice. Okay guys, so this is the finished drink. Milk on the bottom, the whipped strawberry cream on top. You put your straw in, mix it up a little bit, and enjoy. Let's eat. Hi everyone. So it is 11:25. So every Friday we have a movie night. Usually starts around 7, sometimes 8, but it's every Friday. And today we watched Escape Room. Messed up. So we're done now. That's the end of today. I have a lot of marking to do. I have 120 emails, like my worst nightmare. So I have to get my work under control, which I'll probably do. I was really hoping to get a video up tomorrow. Maybe I should stay up and edit a video and get it up tomorrow. Actually, I think I'm gonna do that now. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone. So it's Saturday. We're going to the mall. We're going to Woolworths. My mom asked for some slippers, for Mother's Day, so I'm gonna go looking for her, and then we're coming back home. Hi everyone, so I just wanted to show you quickly, I'm about to put this in, but these little bunny ears, I got them from Crazy. They stopped sticking after a while, and even like the ones that you have like sitting, not stuck like your extra ones, they also stopped sticking. Like I put, because I had extra ones, I only had 3 here. Now I have 2 because I have 2 chargers, and so the one kept coming off. And even if I put double-sided tape, it still kept coming off. So now this is the last one that's standing, but I think I'm gonna put this on my wall like I have for my computer over there. This I got off of Take-A-Lot. It's from this brand. This is really good. It's been on my wall ever since I put it there. And yeah, these are the instructions. I'm just gonna place it. I think I'm gonna place it like right here. Yeah, right there. I didn't want something that people could see, and I don't want to put it on here just in case this surface is the problem. This is how I keep all my cables up. There's the one for my computer. My computer charger is on the floor right now because I'm using this table. But usually it sticks there, and then when I need to charge it, just pull it and plug it in because my computer sits here. But yeah, so that's the update for today. I'm just sitting here editing and trying to get as much work done as I possibly can because our lectures got cancelled today, so we're working. Hi everyone. So we are on our way to the store. I'll show you as we go along, and then I'll show you what we get afterwards, because that's just all I can do at this point. There's nothing else really. Let's go. Anyway, we are at Westpac. Let me show you. So we just got back. It's 4 o'clock. I'm gonna show you everything that we got. We went to Discam, Westpac, and Impala. It's in one area, and then Pick and Pay, and we came back home. So I'll show you everything that we got, and yeah, this will probably be part of a vlog because this isn't a big haul, so it'll just be a haul and a vlog. Okay, so I tried to organize them in order. We're gonna start here with this Discam. So my sister picked up this 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for the baby. It looks so pretty. It's like metallic colored. I hope it smells nice. It says extra moisture for tight curls and dry hair. Ooh, love that. And then my mom got 3 of these Harpic Fresh Power toilet things. And then I picked up this sanitizer. It smells really nice. Not that we need any more sanitizer, but this one smells nice and all the others don't. So I got that. We got this red nail polish to do our nails. I got rubbing alcohol, 91%. I picked up this metallic chrome eyeshadow. I've mentioned it before on my channel. This one's a different color though. This one is Golden Crown. So this is how it looks. It's a really nice gold color. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Like, I can't wait to put that on my eyelid. So pretty. And then I got some nail polish remover because we're doing our own nails at home now, which is, yeah, a challenge. Then I got nail hardener. It's so hard to find a nail hardener. Like, everywhere I've went so far, they don't have stock. I've yet to go to the mall and check, but we should be going to the mall sometime soon. But I got one. This one was like $24, and it's a small little bottle because my nails are really thin and they like bend pretty easily. And then my mom picked up some meds, and then my sister picked up this baby tea. This is Rooibos for babies. Then my mom picked up this nail UV light and fan dryer. I hope this is good because it was $150, so I hope it's okay. So yeah, that's everything from Discam. And then we went to Pick and Pay. We got some fresh cream. That's for a recipe that they're gonna make soon. We got some mass, full cream mass, also for a recipe. That's for the same recipe. And then we got 3 cool drinks, 2 Cokes and a Stony. We got a packet of bananas. We got buttermilk because I want to make scones, however you want to say it. My sister got tons of chocolate. These are all for her. Let me show you. They're all hers. 2 Kit Kats, a Tex, a Flake that's dipped, which is so wrong, and then a whole nut. And then back here we have a packet of onions, 2 packets of potatoes and gem squash. This is a combo. I have a loaf of bread. We have a single can of Monster energy drink. My sister has a like practical assessment that she has to do, where she has to test like how caffeine affects people, and this is high caffeine content, so we got that. And then I picked up plain yogurt. That is for some donuts that I want to make. I'll try make. And then back here we have a little piece of ginger. And then we got this Boyki meat again. My mom clearly likes this. This was $121. And then we got some boerewors. This was $131. And then we went to Impala, like I said. At Impala we got some lemons. These are so cute. I love it. And they're really inexpensive. And then we got a packet of grapes and 2 of these, what are these, broccoli stems, 2 packets. And then I went to Westpac. And at Westpac I got these cookie cutters. It's a 6-piece by this brand, and they are dual-ended, so that's pretty cool. And then I got this milk frother because I want to see if I can make the Dalgona coffee without all the fuss and just using this. So we're gonna try that out and see. But that's everything that we got. We didn't get too many things, but we were going out for the medication, so we decided to pick everything else up. So that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.